Welcome to Money Manners, and today we'll be discussing credit, what it is, how it works, how you can make it work for you, and what the government is doing to track you. So this will be a step-by-step guide to help you along the way. Credit is very important as an adult if you want to buy a car or you want to buy a house. Credit is borrowing money that you may not have currently to buy something now and paying the money back, usually with interest. Determining your credit score is not just about how much money you make or how much credit history you have. There are several different factors, including payment history, the amount you owe, the length of your credit history, meaning how long you've had credit, the different types of credit, and newly opened credit accounts. These are all factors in determining your credit score currently. Even some cell phone companies will check your credit to see what your score is so they can determine what your down payment should be on their services or product. When you apply to rent an apartment, they will check your credit. If you get internet or cable, they may check your credit as well. They're going to run your social security number, birthday, and ask you, is it okay if I run a credit check? This is what happens when they do. You either get a soft inquiry or a hard inquiry. Having credit cards can be a slippery slope, so be careful with what you do with your credit cards. Make sure you pay your payments on time and don't overspend just because you have credit. Here are a couple websites to help you look up your credit score. Building credit is like a money game. It is very easy to win or to lose. So figure out how much money you owe and what's going on with your credit. Setting up an auto pay is the easiest way to stay on track. Paying twice a month can help you pay down the principal, which is the bulk of your debt, a lot faster. The higher your credit limit, the better your credit score. It's a direct correlation. Pay close attention to the interest rate on credit cards. That interest rate is the money you're paying back to the bank. Here are some tips on improving your credit. A good tip is to pay one bill on a credit card, pay it off right away, and keep a low balance on that card, but continually through years. And that will help build your credit. Controlling your spending is tricky, but you can do it. Just gotta know what is coming in and what is going out at all times.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.